Alright, today we're going to go on graphing proportional relationships. So this first one says to find the unit rate, and I have a graph there, slices of pizza on the bottom and money going up the side, or the y-axis. And if you look, it's easiest to pick 2 points that are crossing 2 lines. So I'm going to pick this point right here and this point right there. So I'm going up, 1, 2, 3, over 1, 2. So that would be 3 over 2. Well, that's not a unit rate. So I need to divide the 3 by 2 to get 1.5 dollars per slice. So it costs $1.50 per slice. You could also write that as in terms of money, $1.50 per slice. That probably makes a little bit more sense anyways. And then if we were to turn this into a equation to equal any number of slices, you would just have y equals 1.5 x, x being the number of slices. Alright, so this time I gave you a table. We need to do the same thing. We need to find the unit rate of a slice of pizza. So I'm going to choose the 10 for $12.50. So we're going to take that $12.50 divided by 10. So that's just like moving the decimal over once. So that's going to be $1.25 per slice. Alright, so let's put all these on a graph. So I have that first one that we originally had, the graph there. And then the second one, we got $1.25 per slice. So we're going to graph that. So we still start at 0, 0. 10 slices was at $12.50. Alright, so 4 slices at $1.25 would be $5. So let's put a point at 4, 5, and then 8, 10, we just double that. And we already knew 12, or 10, which is $12.50. So now we can connect these points. And then I'm going to give you one more pizza place. So let's say this place charges $1.75. Oh, writing that wrong. Per slice of pizza. So that'd be $1.75x. So let's graph that. So let's see where we would get a even number. So 2 would be 350. So 350 is not bad. So 2 for 350. So that means 4 for $7. And then that'd be 8 for $14. So that's enough points we can draw a line in. And so if we look at those lines, the steepest line would be this last one we did. So when you're thinking about money, your steepest line is the one that costs the most per unit. Alright, so which one of these is a proportional relationship? So if you look at the graphs we just made, all 3 of those were proportional because they went through the origin, which is 0, 0. So you have to look at these and you have to think which one's going through 0, 0. And to do that, we look at our y-intercept, which we covered briefly in our last video. So your y-intercept's whatever's being added or subtracted here. So I'm minusing 2, so that would go through the point 0, 2, which is not the origin. The next one we have is plus 0, so that would go through 0, 0, which is the origin, so that would make it proportional. And then the next one would go through 0, positive 4, which is not the origin, it's not 0, 0, so it is not proportional. So the only proportional one there would be y equals 2x plus 0, which you could just write as y equals 2x.